Open house Saturday 5/8, 1 to 3 p.m. Stunning, spacious condo offers limited ocean views and no HOA fees. Lovely entry porch leads into the fireplaced living room that opens into the eat-in kitchen. Kitchen boasts oak cabinets and a bar-height counter great for a quick coffee station. Dining area has a slider to the back deck for easy entertaining. Master bedroom has a limited ocean view from the Juliette balcony, double closets, and vaulted ceiling. 2 additional bedrooms on the second floor, solid pine doors, oak vanity in the first floor half bath. Full basement is perfect for storage or converting into a family room/office space. Lovely wood deck overlooks your private yard with mature plantings and has room for a garden or fire pit. You'll have Egypt Beach just seconds away, and just minutes down the road is Scituate Lighthouse, RT3A, and numerous parks. This amazing condo will be gone before you know it. Call now.